Every 4 minutes in America, someone dies because an insurance company decided their life wasn't profitable enough to save. Your call is very important to us. Expect a wait time of 47 years. That's actually faster than how long it takes to get a life-saving procedure approved. Hello, my name is Len Cook, and today we're diving into the world's most elaborate death panel, the American health insurance industry, where pre-existing condition includes the audacity of being born. You know what's funny? We're the only developed nation where GoFundMe is considered a legitimate healthcare plan. Last year, insurance companies posted record profits of over $45 billion, while an estimated 100,000 people died from delayed or denied care. But hey, at least the CEO's yacht has a yacht. Gotta have our priorities. Let me tell you about Tracy. She had stage 4 breast cancer. Her insurance denied her chemotherapy because, and this is real, they claimed her cancer was too advanced to justify the expense. They literally decided she wasn't worth saving. Tracy died 3 months later, leaving behind 3 kids. Her insurance CEO, however, got a $24 million bonus that year. Then we have Amanda's story. Her 2-year-old needed heart surgery. The insurance company denied it as experimental, despite it being a standard procedure for 15 years. When they appealed, of course their toddler died. But thankfully, the insurance company was kind enough to send them a form letter expressing a regret for any inconvenience. Now you might wonder, how do they seriously get away with this? Simply, in 2023 alone, health insurance companies spent $350 million lobbying. That's $650,000 per member of Congress. They're not just buying influence, they're buying permission to kill. When politicians say, we can't afford universal health care, remember, they're reading from a script paid for by blood money. The United States spends more on healthcare administration than any other nation. Over $812 billion annually, and that's not on healthcare, that's just on paperwork. Most of which exists solely to deny care. Now they want to start using AI to deny care even faster. Every other developed nation has figured this out. In health insurance companies, they pay half of what we pay, and they get better care. Their citizens don't die from denied claims. They don't go bankrupt from hospital bills. Just recently, Luigi Maglione, the alleged killer in the United Healthcare CEO situation with Brian Thompson, had over 1,000 people hunting him down and claimed it was an assassination. They called it an assassination, as if the healthcare CEO was some kind of head of state. Meanwhile, the families of 170,000 people who die annually from insurance denials don't even get a call back from their representatives. Then, when they transferred the alleged shooter Luigi Maglione to New York City, they deployed a near army, SWAT teams. The mayor himself showed up for a shameless perp walk. They acted like they caught a Batman villain or Voldemort. We absolutely cannot support people randomly going to kill who they want to, when they want, and how they want. But what options have the powers that be given us to change the system? Insurance companies have paid to make their crimes legal. Does that make it any better? Yet the media was flabbergasted as to how and why Luigi Maglione could get so much support and work so hard to tell us how we're supposed to feel. What we felt was shared trauma, and it is not our responsibility to mourn the karma of the insurance companies. I do feel bad for his family and friends and people who knew him, but that man does have blood on his hands too, and that is a big reason why people were not as upset as the media seemed to think that we were supposed to. Let's talk about some more denials that killed real people. We have James in Ohio, denied a pacemaker because he'd taken antidepressants. Their logic, depression might make him suicidal, so why waste a pacemaker? Really? Then we have Maria in Florida. Her cancer treatment was denied because she missed a premium payment by 1 day. She just happened to be in a coma on that day the payment was due. And then there's Robert in Michigan, denied kidney and dialysis because they claimed his kidney failure was a pre-existing condition. Although it wasn't a pre-existing condition when he got his insurance, it developed later. He died waiting for appeals. We have Sarah in Texas. Her insulin was denied because they shipped it to the wrong address. They claimed she had already received it. So her son died in a diabetic shock, waiting to be able to get the medicine that he needed. We have Michael in California, denied emergency surgery because he couldn't get pre-approval while unconscious from a car accident. Insurance companies don't provide health care. They prevent it. They don't manage risk. They manage death. Their entire business model is based on collecting premiums and denying claims. That's it. They contribute nothing to our health. They don't make drugs. They don't perform surgery. They don't provide any actual care. They're middlemen who profit from suffering. Now, without insurance companies, doctors could treat patients instead of filing paperwork. Hospitals could cut prices by 40% just by reduced administrative costs. No more networks restricting which doctor you can see. No more pre-authorizations delaying urgent care. No more denials based on profit margins. Maybe no more deaths by spreadsheet. Again, the system offers no legal recourse. You can't sue them effectively. You can't vote them out. You can't even appeal to their humanity. Corporations have none of that. They've created a perfect killing machine, protected by laws they bought and enforced by politicians they own, killing people legally every day. Every 4 minutes, someone dies from a denied or delayed claim. That's 360 people every day. When a CEO murder is considered an assassination and gets more legal attention than all of the insurance companies' victims combined, well, maybe they shouldn't be too surprised when people stop believing in the system. The next time someone asks why we can't fix healthcare, remember, we can. We just have to remove the one thing that's actually killing us, the insurance industry itself. Every other developed nation has proved it works better without them. The only thing we have to lose is our premiums and our death toll. If you value information such as this and appreciate the time it takes and the effort that goes into making these videos, please make a point of subscribing, liking, sharing, and please tell me some of your own stories so I can include them in future videos. Thank you.